In these melodic exercises that we will explore, we have note value of semi-breve, dotted minim, minim, crotchet, and a quaver. The semi-breve will last for 4 counts. The dotted minim for 3 counts. The minim for 2. The crotchet 1. And the quaver half. So let me demonstrate what I just said. For the semi-breve, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the count that it covers. For the dotted minim, it is 3. We have 1, 2, 3. You may be wondering what is the mathematics behind that. Every dot behind any note is like an additional half of the note that it represents. Minim by itself is 2 count. When a dot is after a note, it takes half of the value of that note. So if a minim is 2 count plus the half, it makes it 3. You see that now when we add a dotted minim, we have 3 counts. 1, 2, 3. Because of the dot, adding half of the value of the minim. Now the next one is the minim without a dot. That has 1, 2 counts. The crotchet is 1 count. 1, 1, 1. Now the quaver takes half of the crotchet. It's a half count. It's like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. In the place of 4 count, where the crotchet will have 1, 2, 3, 4, the quaver will have 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, having 8 notes. It's like a double of the value of the crotchet. For each crotchet, you have 2 quavers. So these exercises, these are all the note values that this melodic exercise that we're about to do represent. Exercise 1, starting with a minim from C. We have D, C, D, C, D, back to C. You see that this does not have a dot. We have the minim 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now the last one is a semi-breve. It's 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you get